So last year we did a garden that didn't turn out so well. The rabbits came in, they ate the roots. This year we're gonna do a garden and hopefully it works. Let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. All right, guys, we're back. Hi, it's Stephanie. Okay, so y'all know our garden troubles from last year. We went all out, sectioned off an area, we tilled it, we weeded it, we did the mounds, we planted everything, we watered it, watered, and then whenever it turned into sprouts, the rabbits came in and they ate it. I live way far out in the country, and so of course we have a lot of rabbits. And so this year we have another idea, and hopefully it works a lot better. So this year we got the same greenhouse kit that we did last year. Last year we only did one though. This year I'm doing two, and we are gonna do it inside garden. Surprise! Hopefully that will keep the animals from getting it. We'll see what happens. I did get some grow lights, so I will show you those in a minute. I have everything over here. I have both greenhouse kits with all of the seeds germinating. Hopefully they'll germinate. We just did those yesterday. If y'all want to see the review to the greenhouse kit, I did it up there. And so yeah, we got that ready. Now y'all tell me if y'all have ever done an indoor garden before. Tell me down in the comment section down below. I have never done one. This will be the first time, and I hope it works out pretty well because after last year I was devastated. I was thinking I'm gonna have all these vegetables for my family, and it ended up not so much. All right, anyway, so I have my plans here, and I'm gonna kind of go over what we're doing. Besides doing the indoor garden, we're gonna have them in some tiered planters. So not all plants are able to go in these, of course, but we have these 7-tier planters on wheels, and they get 4 plants a piece. And I'm thinking these will be good for like the lettuces and stuff. And then we also have different types of grow bags. So I have those right here. These bigger grow bags right here. These are for the the potatoes. I'm gonna have 5 different things of tomatoes. I'm gonna get a bigger bucket type thing for the regular potatoes, the russets for the kids because they love those. I'm also gonna do 2 with sweet potatoes, 1 with red potatoes, and 1 with purple. No, 2 with red potatoes. That's the dog. let me see. Okay, I'm doing, 2 red potatoes, 1 purple, and 1 sweet potatoes. And then I have a bunch of these 3-gallon grow bags. And I have about 20 of those, and I'm gonna do blueberries, Brussels sprouts, raspberries, artichokes, peas, green beans, yellow corn, white corn, and then the glass gem corn, which is pretty colors. So I'm hoping the corn turns out in these. I was looking and they don't have very big root systems. So I'm thinking this will be perfect. If I have to transplant them in the middle, that's fine. I can transplant them. And then we're also going to do Marmande tomatoes, which are the big tomatoes in these. We're going to do watermelon, cantaloupe, pumpkin, zucchini, yellow squash, eggplants, and then we're also going to do the carrots in these. Now, like I said, if I have to transplant carrots, I'll transplant them, but I think these are deep enough for the carrots, and those will work out pretty well. All right, and then in the stackable planters, I'm gonna have celery, spinach, collard greens, and I have a chart all planned out here. The garden rocket, which is arugula, I just found this out. I was like, what is garden rocket? Because I ordered a bunch of seeds and that came in them. It's actually arugula. I'm doing the red sweet peppers, the yellow hot wax peppers, mustard greens, cabbage, lettuce. I'm doing 2 things of lettuce, And then I'm doing Market More 76 cucumbers. In one, I'm gonna have dill, parsley, cilantro, and chives, jalapenos, and broccoli. And then I also got these hanging grow bags that are like this. And in these, I'm gonna put strawberries. I'm gonna put cherry tomatoes in one, and then I'm gonna do Roma tomatoes in another. And then in order to have these on the inside of the house, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down a tarp and some plastic, and then we are going to hang them upside down on one of those clothing racks. That way they get plenty of water. And then I also purchased some of these grow lights, and I'm going to take you over there and see the grow lights and the seedlings. And then we got more baby chicks, so let's go and check those out. And there they are. There's the baby chickens, and we have them on this brooder. And then of course we got their water and their food, and they are just so happy under there. And we got a few of those, so we will be adding them to our flock. I need to clean out their cage. I just or their little bed. I just cleaned it out yesterday, but you know, babies. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the little baby chicks, the planting. I'm super excited. I really hope it works out this year. Last year didn't go so well, but we have high hopes for this year, so stay along with me. As soon as we get into after they're germinated and we get into the planting, I'll take y'all on that journey, and then we'll also go through the process of growing and harvesting. And I'm gonna see if I could keep them up and going a little bit longer than you normally would, because outside, you know, the gardens, they kill off with the frost. I'm thinking since I'm doing it indoors, I probably will have a longer harvest season, hopefully, but those are high hopes. So we shall see how it goes. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a great day. Bye.